It's being weird. Okay.
You think Austin will show up?
I don't know. Is it? Invite you.
Should we just get started anyway?
Yeah, I'm just pulling it up right now. Okay. So,
Okay, are you guys there?
yeah, so for question 3, is it the third one?
I got the third one.
Okay.
For number 4, I think it's the third one as well.
So, I think so, because I remember it saying something. Residential. Yeah, it's y minus y. Okay.
Okay.
When they, is this one the first one? Because,
So,
yeah, because when I was reading about this, it says if it was like, I'm pretty sure if it's showing the other things, then it's can't be linear.
okay.
I don't know, because it spent a lot of time talking about those, but I think those mean it's not.
Yeah. Okay. So the first one.
So we need to open.
And then make sure that you guys use the confidence variable as the explanatory and the score as the response, because we've had that trouble before.
Where's response? Okay. Yeah, that's confusing last time. So we use the first one is the confidence.
Now the confidence is the explanatory variable. So X.
Okay.
So the question is asking compute the residuals for the data using the software, what statement best describes the residuals? Okay.
So, wait, what's the, so the residuals, so that's,
okay,
So
so
I
the
think
residuals are all there. What is it asking in?
they're in between.
So they form a linear pattern, I think.
Yeah, it looks like it does. I'm confused. I think should we just do that?
I think that's what that is, but I could be wrong. Anyway, that's what I think.
So do we have to do a Q and Q plot for these?
It says based on the QQ plot, yeah, for these residuals, what can you say about them?
Can we just insert a Q and Q plot into this data thing?
Can't we? I mean, I wouldn't see why not.
Let's see. Q and Q plot. Do we have to use a different Excel sheet? Or
Would it be called a Q and Q plot like in these?
yeah, because I don't know where to find the Q.
So I just took the data from the Excel sheet and made a scatter
What?
I just took the data from the Excel sheet and made another scatter plot with the residual. You like highlight both of the columns and then you go to insert and then scatter plot. And then you just click on the first scatter plot that comes up.
To scatter plot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it just the scatter plot that we have?
No, that's the scatter plot of the data, X and Y.
But is the scatter plot different than a Q and Q chart? I don't know.
Yes. Well, you can make it. Depends on what variable you're using.
Here, I'm gonna plug it in to this thing.
Is it just the other Excel program that we had that we plug something into?
Mm-hmm. Except this one only has one column. So I don't know.
You guys can easily. Have you guys made the scatter plot yet?
You just put in the residuals though?
You put in the explanatory variable, the X, and the residuals.
I just don't know. Okay. What does it look like when you do that?
It just looks like random dots on the graph.
It doesn't already give us the scatter plot though.
That's a scatter plot of X and Y, not of
I
the
think you put the residuals in that column. Just the residuals. Is that what you're doing? You take all the residuals and you put them in a QQ plot.
Oh, is that what you do?
That's what I think.
Yeah. I wrote Q and Q plot of the residuals have to be close to the line. And then, oh, so it has the residual column?
Yeah,
I'm just now seeing.
dual column.
Okay, I get what you're saying. So,
For some reason, it wouldn't let me copy and paste it. I don't know how to use values only. Yeah, it's just it's very random. If that's what you were doing.
I don't know if mine's working either.
I went to the clipboard paste option. I put values only. And then so I put in the numbers, and on the QQ plot, it was like scattered everywhere.
Oh. Okay. Did you do it? Did you sort the column A from the highest, or would that even make a difference? Probably not.
What were you asking?
I don't know if you need to like sort column A from lowest to highest.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. I didn't look at that. That is true. That is true. So it would say Z over A, right?
What?
Like when you're switching it.
You go to sort and filter AZ, and then
Do you do descending, or what do you do?
lowest to highest. So it's gonna be sort A to Z.
Sort A to Z.
Mm-hmm. Because it says under it lowest to highest.
Okay, so I'm seeing a negative line. Would that
So
mean
like
right?
slopes down?
What?
Do you mean it slopes down or?
Yeah, it slopes down.
Okay.
Would that mean it's right skewed? I don't remember.
Or do they just stay close to the line? Like, do they follow that line that's on this plot?
No.
Oh. I just said something about following the line.
Okay, I don't know.
I'm just gonna say normal. I don't know.
Well, we can always come back. Do you think it's normal?
I'm just gonna put that, yeah.
Okay. Well, like we did before, if we get it wrong, then we can have somebody else do it. Okay, so use the software to create a scatter plot of the data. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied? Is that the requirements? Right?
Yeah. So the requirements were
So what you're looking to see is the hot dog shape of a linear regression and no pattern.
and then it gives us does it give us the error? Yeah, I think so. Or I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know where you find the error term.
Well, we would say that it's linear, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And if it's like, so what you hope to see is that the points in the QQ plot are close to the line. So if it's linear, then I would assume that it would be close to the line, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So it's
And
constant.
then when we did, so does that mean okay, and then one of the other rules is the error term is normally distributed. So, or the variance of the error terms is constant for all values of x.
Um, I don't even understand what that means. With the,
I don't know either. I clicked all of them except for the middle one.
which one is that?
The residuals are,
Normally distributed.
but I guess we would,
But
it just doesn't say that that's one of the requirements.
yeah.
So I just basically put all the ones that are requirements and checked them.
Okay.
But I don't know if they're all right or not.
Sounds good.
The section was kind of confusing. What is B1? The estimate. Okay. So B1 is it 12.695?
B1 12.695 is what I got.
Okay.
9. I got 42.42.042.
For did you just plug it into like that information into the linear regression?
Like you did the right ones, like the confidence is in the explanatory and the score is in the Y.
What did you put in the X?
The X we put in the confidence.
And the Y, the score?
Yeah, the score.
Does it say that in the earlier question? Because I did it backwards.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. I got 12.695.
Yep. Now we have to do the confidence interval for B1.
Yeah. It just has it in the
That would be the 10.674, right?
yeah, that's what I got.
And the upper bound, 14.715.
Mm-hmm.
Based on the evidence. So the p-value is what we look at, or what do we look
Yeah, I think that's what I.
at? The p-value is a little bit crazy.
So it'd be less than the 0.5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then we would reject the null hypothesis test.
Yeah, that's what I did.
So the second one.
Yeah, reject the null hypothesis test because the p-value is less than.
Yeah. Perfect. So for a hypothesis test, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
It means that it's not 0. Because I think the null
Is
Yeah.
0.
Mhm.
Sufficient evidence to conclude that it is not 0. The last one?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have another data.
Which variable is the dependent? So head length was used to predict body length. So does that mean the body length is the dependent? 'Cause it depends on head length was used to predict. Yeah. So body length that's depending on the head side.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So the body length is the answer for 14, right?
Okay.
So the dependent would be the Y response one, right?
Wait, what?
When we're plugging it in, the body length would be the Y and the response variable, and then
The dependent is the response one.
so body length is the dependent. Okay. So determine the margin of error. Which confidence interval is it talking about?
No.
Oh, for B1. So you take the upper minus the lower and then divide by 2, right? 8.103.
So is are you looking for the margin of error?
Yeah.
Is it the 10.801? Or do we have to find it?
No, it's well, because you take the confidence interval of B1, and then so you find the difference, and then you divide it by 2.
Right. Why are we just looking at B1 though?
It's what it says on the directions. It is now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1. Input your answers for margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound.
Oh, okay, I see that now. So
Yeah, take go up there too. You tell me to read.
Shh.
So did you guys
Okay.
figure that one out?
So do you just add the two or subtract them?
Mm-hmm.
How do you divide by 2?
Yeah, yep, that's what I remember. If anybody else thinks differently, chime in. I don't want to be the
Right.
one to give false information.
You get 0.443.
Yep.
Okay. Sounds right. And the lower bound is 7.218.
Yep.
The bound is 8.
For 15, I got 28.517.
For which one?
15,
You
What
got
did
28.517.
How did you get that?
Add the two together and divide by 2.
You subtracted it and divided by 2?
For B1? Or did you do B0?
2 of them. Divided by 2.
Did you take the confidence interval of B1, which is
The slope.
8.103 minus 7.218? Divided by 2.
I did the confidence interval for Y. Oh, that's for B1.
It says
That makes sense.
it says above the question to find it for B1.
I got 0.885.
Divided by 2.
.443.
Yep. Okay. So then we did the lower bound and upper bound. Right?
The first one for 18.
I think that's right. When it comes to those questions, I don't know anymore.
Yeah, I'm like looking in the text to see if there's anything really fast.
True, it's that one because the other one says chance. We've never used chance.
Yeah, we don't use chance. So that's probably right.
Yeah.
I just like when I think it's the right answer, then it's not the right answer for those questions. So I don't trust myself. Who's gonna submit it and see if we got it?
I can.
Okay.
Okay, we got some around.
We got one wrong?
Yeah.
Which one?
Which would you guys put down for 6?
Linear pattern?
They form a pattern.
That's what I put.
That's wrong.
Is that the only
That
one?
one.
That's the first one wrong. And then
Oh, so there's more.
also 8. What did you guys put down for 8?
That was the one where I just guessed.
So you're saying that linear pattern is right for number 6, right? And then 7
That
is
one is
right?
wrong.
Wait, yeah. So we got so for 6, it's
6
not
is wrong.
the middle one.
Yeah, it's not the middle one.
Okay, that's what I was wondering.
Yeah.
Only ones wrong are 6 and 8. 8, the first 4 are wrong. If you mark the first 4, they're wrong.
I remember seeing a lot of negatives, so
So did you say for 8, if it's the first 4, that's wrong?
Mhm.
Okay, we marked the first 2 and then the last 2.
we can try that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Then try a different answer for 6, and then try a different answer for 8, or try your answer for 8.
Okay. For 6, should we try right skewed?
for 6, which one?
Right skewed?
That's
6?
number 7.
That's 7, yeah.
Or did we miss number
Number
7 then?
6 is the one that we missed.
So we tried negative?
All negative. I don't remember what it looked like, but we can.
I don't
I'm gonna
remember
put
if
it in
they were,
again. Give me a second.
I don't think they were.
All negative. Were they? I think they might have been the first one. I don't remember actually.
I'm almost done. Hang on.
Okay.
Confidence is X, and the score is Y, right?
Confidence.
Competence is the explanatory, and score is the Y.
Yep. It's the first one.
Between
Between 40 and 25. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to turn it in, Julie, or are you doing it?
Sure. I don't know. Sounds good.
So I'll turn it in.
Okay.
Okay.
3.
Hopefully I changed them all to the right answer.
Yeah.
Let me do that. Oh, I missed one.
No. Which one?
Um,
Probably question 8.
That's my guess. Yep, it's question 8.
Just keep guessing. It is.
So if you read in the textbook, it says under the
Because I feel like,
section, if you guys scroll down to the table where it has the requirements and how to check
yeah.
them.
Like I have that all written down on my paper.
Yeah. So for the independent observations that are independent, it says it cannot be checked directly. That's why I think it's not the last one.
You don't think it's the last one?
Yeah, because we can't check it.
So do we want to try?
That and it was wrong. I thought you
That
said
means
you
that
did
one of the
first
ones that I
four.
put down is wrong. Does that make sense? Just because I got one, didn't mark one, doesn't mean that it's not right. It's
How do we
the
even
combination that I put down.
check if they're independent or not? Does that just mean they're different observations? Or? This might sound really bad, but I kind of just want to do another random guess. Because I don't know
I don't
what
see
it
why not.
Yeah, because I don't know how to even like try to find. Trying to think. How do we even check the variance of the error term is constant for all x values of x? I feel like it would stay the same. Right? If we plug it in, it's just gonna give us the error. You're saying there is a linear relationship. I guess we could try.
So there is definitely a linear
Or
relationship.
mm,
The variance is constant. You need to check that with the residual plot if that has some relation. megaphone, what is that supposed to look like?
What?
What is a
That's what I
megaphone?
want to know.
Because I think we can tell the first one for sure. The residuals
Yeah.
were stupid. That one we can figure out.
What does it mean the x values are measured without error?
Oh, that one on the chart says it cannot be checked directly. It just means the x should be measured accurately and precisely. So that one we can't tell.
So we're saying
I
we
think it's
know
the
the
first three,
first
not the
one,
last two.
the first three, but not the last two.
Yeah.
I guess that sounds. Should I try that?
Yeah.
Okay. The first three, but not the last two.
The first three.
And then what did we put for the last one again?
Last
For
one we
18?
put the first
Yeah.
one.
The first one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me just double check. Okay. It says I have one unanswered question. Question one.
Oh, did you not answer one?
Yeah. I think I just skipped an answered question two.
That's funny.
Let's see. Hopefully. They're all right.
So the first three for number 8,
Yep.
and that's it.
Yeah. Do you guys want me to like keep mine open?
Yeah, let's go through them real fast just because
Yeah.
I don't want to look back and forth between my tabs.
Yeah. So question 3
Mm-hmm.
is the third one.
Okay.
And then question 4 is the third one.
Mm-hmm.
Question 5 is the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Question 6 is the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Question 7 is the second one.
Okay.
And question 8 was the first 3.
Okay.
And then 9 is 12.695.
Okay.
10 is 10.674.
Okay.
11 is 14.715.
Okay.
Question 12 is the third one.
Okay.
13 is the last one.
Mm-hmm.
14 is the second one.
Okay.
And 15 is 0.443.
Okay.
16, 7.218.
Okay.
17 is 8.103.
Okay.
And the top one.
Okay.
8.103.
Yeah.
Yep. Got 100. I love it when that happens. So we have another group meeting on Thursday that prepares us for the test, and then we take the test and we're done. Is that how it goes? I know that we have to do our project, but I don't understand what we have to do.
I don't either. I don't
So
really
we
understand.
still have to do the inferring part. If you go to like the project overview, it has all of the what we need to do laid out.
Okay.
Who's the person in charge of doing the inferring?
I don't remember what my job was.
So what you do is you write up like a rough draft of what you think that part should be, then you like send it to us, and then we like give feedback, edit it, and then you make whatever changes you feel is right, and then turn it in.
Okay.
So, sorry, I had a message. Is there a different form that we need to fill out for the inference one?
Yeah.
So it's on.
Okay. I make inference and take action. Is that it?
I think so.
And that's due by Saturday?
Yep.
Okay. So we just have to answer. Oh my goodness, there's a lot.
So wait, so are you supposed to look at it and then tell us what to answer, or?
So it says like test your hypothesis in no more than 2 pages, write up the results of your hypothesis test. Use the guidelines below in your write-up. So does this mean, so it says your document will be evaluated on completeness, correctness, and how well your writing flows. So it's your title, your document should include the following: the title, the number, or the names of all your group members. Like it has all of the things. So I hope you guys saved all your information. Anyway, so we might have to do like maybe on Thursday we could just go over it real fast together. Like if we answer all of these questions, like the research question, the hypothesis, kind of a general idea for each of these bullet points, then I can write it out.
That sounds good.
Okay. So we'll save that.
I'll start looking at it too. And we can all just look at it and then at least get some ideas.
Yeah, you guys can all pull it up on Thursday when we look at it, or earlier, I guess, and then we can go from there.
So, okay. So the document just has to be us answering all of this stuff.
It has to be like a write-up, so I'm assuming just kind of like an essay format. Yeah.
That's confusing. It's like hard because I feel like I only know what I'm doing for this project.
Right.
I'm like the alpha level. I have no idea. Or I don't know how to even adjust the P value. Okay.
We'll just look at it later. We don't have to do it tonight.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Okay, we'll see you guys on Thursday.
yeah.
Good luck with everything.
Thanks. You too.
Bye, guys.
You guys.
Bye.